Hello, John. Welcome back. And today in this video, we are going to be talking about the anchor tag, and some people call it link tag. It doesn't matter because what it does is actually when you're writing inside the HTML, we have it as an anchor tag, which is a tag. But when with the actual action that tag does, the action that the tag does is like linking. That's why some people confuse it and call it link tag. So actually, I prefer to call it anchor tag. And let's get started. The first thing we are going to do here is to open a new folder, and then inside the new folder here, I can just quickly say a tag. Open this folder up inside my code editor. Then inside my code editor, then inside the code editor, I can quickly set index.html, close this up, then close this also. Have my normal HTML template, change this to anchor tag, anchor. You have been thinking, what is the name anchor? Yeah, it's anchor. I don't know how you call it, but I call it anchor tag. So, all right, so now the next thing to do here is to do the H1, and let me say follow me on on GitHub, maybe possibly on GitHub. So now and then I definitely want to add a link to it that says GitHub. So let's open this up inside a browser. Let's open this up inside a browser. Below I can just see. Now you can see my anchor tag here. It says GitHub and it's clickable. But actually, when you click it now, it's not taking us anywhere because I haven't added the link to GitHub. So let me quickly connect to the network, and then I should just make sure everything goes well. Connect to the network, then go to github.com to just copy my own link to GitHub. I think the GitHub is loading not good today. All right, so I can just say github.com/prince prince uh, uh, babe, and this is my link to GitHub. So I can just copy this link, and then I can just close this up back. Inside this href attribute, now here is where I'm going to paste the link I want it to take me to. So I can just paste this URL that I copied, and then I should quickly go and refresh my page. So whenever someone clicks on this link, it's going to take him to my GitHub account. And you can see my GitHub account start loading because I added the link to what do you call it, to the href attribute. So that's it. That's perfect. So the next thing I want to show you is what if we don't want it to, when I click on this GitHub link now, it turns out that my entire page now switch to GitHub. What if I want the person to be taken to another tab? Maybe the link should open a new tab for him instead of him to actually leave the initial site. So that's when another attribute comes into play. We have the target attribute, and then I can set it to blank. So this target attribute blank means it should open a new blank page apart from the one the person is currently in. You understand? So let's say now I refresh this page. Whenever I click on this link, it will open me to a new page entirely, leaving me with the initial page open. Also, this page is open, and then it opens a new one for me because of this blank target attribute with the value of blank. So now, is that all to do with an anchor tag? So let's say now I have another anchor tag, and then this anchor tag is having to want to take me to the next page. Let's say it want to take me to the next page, and then I should be able to create a new page that says, let's say, about us.html. So this is the about us page, and then let me quickly bring out the normal template, change the title to about us. Inside the body, I can say page 2. This is about us page I save, and then I can just inside this href attributes. Now I can type in the name of this page, the one I want it to be linked to. I can just say about us.html and I save. So whenever someone click on this link, it's going to take him to the about us page directly. So let's see what happens. This is actually working. Yes, it's actually working. And if you recall, among when we talk about the block elements and the inline elements, so anchor tag is among the inline element. That's why you see the links appear next to each other. So let me click on the next page, and it will actually take us to the about us page. Because I did not add attribute of the target attribute to it, which will take us to another blank page. That's why it's opening immediately. If I click, it's turned out to change me to the second page. I believe you understand how the anchor tag works. You can use anchor tag now, or let me say the link tag, to link to external pages, external resources, pages of other people that we are not the one to. Let's say we give them a backlinks. We call it backlinks. So, or we can use it to like navigate between pages in our website. Even if you're having thousands of websites in our own documents, we can be able to link to them using the anchor tag. You definitely see website online have home, about us, contact us, different pages. And using anchor tag, you can link to them. So whenever someone click on an anchor tag, it definitely goes to the remaining page. Well, if you like this video, kindly subscribe and hit a thumbs up. See you in the next one.